It was a bullish day on Wall Street. This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for the 5th of October 2015. Ooh, doggies, it was a bullish day. So yes, things have reversed on the market, so we are definitely in full risk on mode here. Let's take a look here at the numbers. We had the SPY up 1.7%, the Dow up 1.7%. We had the Qs up 1.45%. We had the small caps up 2.4%. Now remember, they've been lagging and they're starting to try to catch up here now. Bank up 1.6%, so it came along for the ride today, which it did not on the reversal on Friday. VIX down 5%, and it's actually closed below 20, folks. That's the range we need to be in for us to get more stability here in the markets. We had silver up kaboom 2%. But gold was neutral. And we had oil up 1.5% and the dollar just up a little bit there. And for the Grok grads out there, it 0.52 on the trend. Didn't quite close at our level for the trend trade. Okay, let's take a look here at the charts. First, we're going to start off with the SPY, which is the ETF on the S&P 500. And again, on Friday, we had a big dip down and then boom, 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 rallied all the way back up, closed above this trend line. And now, boom, look at that puppy go. Now, next line of resistance here, there's two of them. We were already closed above the 20 moving average. Now we got the 50 moving average and the 200 mark here, which would be the 2000 level on the SPX, the index itself. So those are two possible lines of resistance here. As we work our way back up, we are in bullish mode for sure right now. The Dow, which was up over 303 points on the index itself, this is the ETF on it. It's the DIA, and again, on Friday, closed above its major trend line, above the 20 moving average, and where did it close? Right at the 50 moving average, and right here at this last swing high. So two lines of possible resistance right there, also at the 16,800. So let's take a look here at the Qs at the NASDAQ. And on Friday, it closed right at the 20, still had a ways to go, but today, boom, it broke out up there above that trend line. Now it's got the 50 moving average, the 200 moving average, and the 100 moving average. All of these resistances on the way up here, so it's not looking quite as free and clear as it would be on, say, the S&P 500. And then we have the lagging small caps, the Russell, and again, this is the ETF on the Russells. And look at this, it came down here, it actually set a lower low, and then it started to work its way back up on Friday, and then kaboom today. So it closed right at the 20 moving average. It still has this upper trend line to get through, and then the 50, and then the high of this swing here. So it has three major resistances to get through here as it works its way up. Oh, by the way, one indication we had that we were going to get a turnaround was, look at here at the MACD. Now you all are familiar with it when we don't get a higher swing high, but when it's on the way down, we got a lower swing low, but on the lows here, we got a higher swing low. So that was some thunder in the distance that the market may be ready to turn around. Did not identify that last week. All right, a bank then is also, on Friday, it had dropped below this bear flag, but today, kaboom, back up above this major trend line here now, so it too is going along for the ride, which did give us a little thunder in the distance on Friday. This is Meerkat in for D7 as he is out on a catamaran on the East Coast for the week. So until then, just remember, the only truths in the markets are the candles. Trade well.